Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Chopper and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life, and wine is the perfect drink for a grand cheers. This week, we're going to teach you how to pair your favorite wines with the best cheeses. When choosing the right cheese to go with your wine, it's important to consider three things. Firstly, tannins. Tannins are what make wines dry. Knowing the dryness of your wine will help you choose the best cheese to pair it with. Dry wines are better off with high-fat aged cheese. Pairing a dry wine with a young, delicate cheese can make it taste chalky or metallic. You should also keep in mind your salty and sweet pairings. For example, pairing a blue cheese with a light, acidic sparkling wine will overpower the dainty flavors of the drink, whereas a particularly sweet wine would be the perfect match. Lastly, consider textures when choosing your pairings. While creamy, rich cheese complements the flavor of a white wine, an acidic, sharp, sparkling wine will cut through the heaviness of a fatty cheese. With those tips in mind, it's time to look at 3 different wine and cheese pairings to elevate your cheese boards this holiday season. Pinot Grigio is one of the most popular white wines, and its crisp, light-bodied flavor pairs well with many types of cheese. Pick up a soft and creamy cheese, such as a Chèvre, Brie, or Camembert, to pair with this wine. Or for a twist, we also recommend a salty cheese. Feta, Ricotta, or Parmigiano Reggiano will do well. For popular red wines, Cabernet Sauvignon is a crowd pleaser for its rich, bold flavor. The black currant, anise, and vanilla flavors make it best paired with a sharp cheddar or Gouda cheese. A sharp cheddar will highlight the fruity notes of the wine, which in turn will make it taste lighter. A Gouda cheese, however, will diminish the dryness of the wine while adding flavor. Both cheeses will cut through the tannins of the wine and act as a palate cleanser. Lastly, a rosé or an acidic wine works best with delicate young cheeses. Select fresh mozzarella, feta, or baby Swiss to complement the light and fruity notes of the rosé. With all this in mind, remember to consider your own favorite pairings as you select your wines and cheeses this holiday season. Build your wine and cheese boards with tastings of other flavors too, such as meats, nuts, olives, and spread. Stop by Harry's Liquor today to find a premium selection of wines and let us know how you enjoyed it.